This is electrical, so before you start working, please make sure you unplug your machine. Today we will be diagnosing a washing machine pressure switch. To do this, you'll need a multimeter and your pressure switch. First, place your multimeter on the first and second tabs. You can do this by placing your multimeter prongs into these holes. Now that the multimeter is on those tabs, I am getting a reading, which is appropriate. Keep the multimeter attached to those tabs and we will blow into the air port. Which is appropriate. Once you are connected to the first and third tabs, you will blow in on the air inlet. It will push on the diaphragm. You should get a reading of about 1. I will blow on it. You will hear the clicking. When I release, so this is good.